Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's Nia Asante, and as you can tell by the title, today we'll be doing an install with me on this bob look. So if you like the way it turned out and want to know how to do it, then continue to watch.
This one I better do with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's Nia Asante, and as you read by the title, I am doing an install with me on a bob wig that I had way back when. And I cut it myself when I was just starting this hair stuff. So it's not the best bob, but it's still wearable. So I decided to put it back on. Alright, so right here I'm applying the first layer of glue. And the glue I am using is the Melt Effects glue, which I did a review on it. So go check it out on my channel. I don't know which video it is, but it's over there. So go check it out. Right here, I'm just fanning the glue so that it can dry clear. And all in all, I used about three layers of glue on this side. Right now I'm doing that crucial step of lining up the wig with the glue perfectly so you don't have too much excess wig that wasn't glued down, or you don't have enough, you get what I'm saying? So I'm trying to put it in the right spot. Now I'm taking my comb and my blow dryer and I'm just pressing the lace down into the glue with the teeth of the comb, and I'm using the blow dryer to make sure that it really stays on there. Now I come over to the other side and I'm just repeating those same steps that I did on the first side, on the second side, the exact same way. Okay, so off screen, I already pulled out my baby hairs and put on my wrap to lay down my lace some more while I flat ironed my hair and hot combed my little bump or whatever so that my part could be, slick. But now I'm cutting off the wrap to see, how much it laid my lace down and all that good stuff. And right here, I'm just taking my razor and I'm cutting me some new baby hairs into the wig because the old ones got, messed up once I washed it and all of that good stuff. I couldn't find the other baby hairs that I had already cut into the wig. So I'm pulling out some new ones, and you know. Alright, so I should have showed y'all me swooping my baby hairs on camera, but I didn't. So off camera I swooped my baby hairs and retied my wrap around it so that I could lay down while I was swooping my bangs. So right here I'm just taking off the wrap now so that y'all can see the finished look. Alright y'all, and this is the final results. I love it. It came out better than I expected, because like I said before in this video, I really chopped this bob up to begin with. Like, it was really chopped, but it came out pretty cute, and I was able to wear it for like a week. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video.
Yeah.